Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 59A रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से, और हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है ऑक्सिलरीज एंड मॉडल्स, वर्ब्स जो होते हैं उनके बारे में. वी राइट ईच ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग ए मॉडल वर्ब. सेकंड और 9 में आपको अनदर मॉडल यूज करना है. पहला है पॉसिबली शी इजंट अनिल्स सिस्टर. हम इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? शी may not be Anil's. Perhaps we will go to Shimla next month. We may go to Shimla next month. My sister was able to read the alphabet when she was 18 months old. My sister could read alphabet when she was 18 months old. It is necessary that you do not wash the car. Paint is still wet. You must not wash the car. It is not necessary for you to wash the car. Clean. You need not wash the car. I am certain that they have left already. They must have left already. Do you allow me to use your phone? May I use your phone? I was in the habit of going to the beach every day when I was in Chennai. I used to go to the beach every day when I was in Chennai. He was probably pass his driving test. He will probably pass his driving test easily. He may pass his driving test easily. Perhaps he forgot about the meeting. He may or might have forgotten about the meeting. I suggest visiting Qutub Minar. Shall we visit Qutub Minar? Nobody has answered the phone. Perhaps they have gone out. Nobody has answered the phone. They must have gone out. I'm sure he is over 70. He must be over 70. It was not necessary for me to meet him, but I met him. I needn't have met him, or I need not have met him, but I him. It was not necessary for me to meet him, and I didn't meet him. I didn't need to meet him. ये रही आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 59A. हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में. सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA एजुकेशन.